Why do 100% of people wish they could fly? Here's your chance to see what it's like. Suddenly, you've got feathers, a beak, and wings. The ground disappears as you take off. Whoosh! The wind in your feathers, soaring through the sky, dodging trees like a pro. You feel free, light, and maybe a little dizzy. Chirping becomes your new way of chatting. Tweet, tweet, though. And oh, the view. Tiny cars, tiny people, everything looks like a toy. You even get a bird's-eye view of your favorite park. Swooping down, you spy a crumb. Score. But watch out for that cat. You land back on a branch, heart racing, and think, being a bird is no walk in the park, but it's a fly in the sky, ready to swap back.
Ooh, what a ride!